friends, this question asked in GATE 1994. In 2 marks. Okay, so let's see what it is saying. Okay, which of the following conversions is not possible algorithmically, means through the algorithms, which of the following convergence is not possible. Okay, so let's check through the options. In TOC you can give maximum question answers from the options. So let's check regular grammar to context free grammar. Regular grammar to context free grammar. Yes, you can convert regular grammar to context free grammar, because we know that regular is what? Regular is what? Subset of CFL. Okay, subset of CFL. So yes, there is a conversion, regular grammar to context free grammar. Yes, this is what? This is true, means there is a algorithm exists. Okay, you can convert. Let's check the option B. Non-deterministic FSA to deterministic FSA means what? Regular language accepted by what? Finite automata. And as we know that every machine can accept the language with 2 ways. Deterministic, first one is deterministic and second one is non-deterministic. So in finite automata, the expressive power of non-deterministic finite automata equal to what? Deterministic finite automata. Okay, so there is a conversion is possible. There is a conversion is possible from deterministic FSA to non-deterministic FSA to deterministic FSA, right? So this option is also true. This option is also true. Okay, let's check the option C. Non-deterministic PDA to deterministic PDA. So CFL accepted by what? PDA. Accepted by what? PDA. And as we know that the expressive power of NPDA is a greater than from DPDA, right? DPDA, you can say that NPDA is a superset of DPDA. Okay, so what there is expressive power is not equal of both the machines. Okay, NPDA and DPDA. So conversion is not possible here through the algorithms or algorithmically. Okay, so it is asking you which of the following convergence is not possible. So which conversion is not possible? NPDA to DPDA. Okay, so which option is correct? Option C is correct. Option C is correct, because it is asking which of the following convergence is not possible. So which convergence is not possible? NPDA to DPDA conversion is not possible. Let's see the option D, why it is correct. Non-deterministic Turing machine to deterministic Turing machine, yes, the conversion of NTM to DTM is possible, because there is what? There is CSL and there is what? There is recursive language. There is what? Recursive language, and recursive language accepted by what? Which machine? Turing machine. And the expressive power of NTM equal to what? DTM. NTM equal to what? DTM, means conversion is possible when the expressive power equal non-deterministic machine to deterministic machine, then conversion is possible. So yes, this is also possible. NTM to DTM is possible. So which is not possible? C is not possible. Okay, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. Every regular grammar is also context free grammar. So this is trivially decidable, means you can decide. Means if any problem is decidable, then algorithm existed for that problem. Okay, there exists algorithm to convert non-deterministic FSA to deterministic FSA, since their recognition power is same, means expressive power is same. Expressive power is what? The number of language accepted by a particular machine is called the expressive power of that machine. So which machine expressive power is more? Okay, Turing machine expressive power is more from all available machines. Okay, so option C is correct. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.